Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your PI node to the latest version and how to actually use it. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is firstly, in order to update your PI node, just simply go to the website of PI network. And once you're on your Pi network website, just simply go to the blockchain section right over here and click on Pi node. Choose that option and choose the download version for whichever operating system you're running. For me, it's going to be Windows. And once you download the application, all you have to do is simply install it. And once the installation is complete, you'll automatically update to the latest version. Now let me show you how to move forward after that. So all you have to do is just simply start the application, which you can see right over here, the PI network. So what exactly is a PI node? A PI node runs on your computer and helps you maintain the blockchain network through decentralized transactions. By running a PI node, your computer participates in the blockchain process and earns rewards similar to running a validator node on a test node. You will need a laptop or a desktop for this process to actually work. It can run currently on mobile devices. Now, once you're on the PI node app, which you can see right over here, just simply look for PI node, which will be right over here. Now, once you will be on the PI node section, if you're using this for the very first time, you will turn on your node, which will be right over here. So click on this option and a pop-up window will appear. Just simply click OK on it. This will enable your computer to start running the blockchain. Now after that, all you have to do is just simply click on Visit Tech Setup right over here. Now to successfully run PI nodes on your computer, use a Docker container. So just simply click on Install Docker right over here and click on Download Docker Desktop. That should redirect you to a website where you can see the Docker. Just simply wait for a few seconds and install the application right over here. So just simply click on Reject All over here and just simply create an account and download the application. All you have to do is go to Products, Docker Desktop, wait for a few seconds and scroll down and click on Download Docker. Now you can also download for Mac, both Intel and Apple Silicon chips. So choose whichever you want. In my case, I will go with the normal Windows version. And now once the download begins, just simply wait for it to complete. Now once the Docker setup is downloaded, just simply install the application. So click on Open. Now wait for a few seconds. Click on Yes. And the installation should begin, as you can see right over here. Now just simply wait for a few moments. Now if this panel appears in front of you, just simply click on OK. And it should download and unpack the data. So wait for a few moments. Now after the installation is complete, all you have to do is just simply close the application and restart your computer. So just simply choose the option and complete the restart. So after the installation and restart of your computer, just simply open the Docker desktop application, as you can see right over here. Just simply open it. And once Docker is running, which you can see right over here, just simply go back to the IP application and just ensure that the node switch is turned on right over here. Go to Setup and then go to the Install Dock section, and over here you should see that Docker domain is now running. It is compulsory that you see this green notification over here, and if you're seeing this, you should also see the indicator showing that the blockchain is now active and that your node is now running, which you can see right over here and right over here. So with your Pi node running, your computer is now part of the blockchain network, and over time you will see your mining rate and reward accumulation in the IP app, which you can go right over here. So click on IP apps, then go to the mining rate section, and over here if you scroll down you will be able to see the reward section. So the longer your node runs, the more rewards you can potentially earn. So there is one thing that you should keep in mind is that rewards are subject to network's condition and your participation level. Just simply keep that in mind with the expectation of for your rewards. That's it. Now you have updated and successfully set up Pi node on your Windows 11 using Docker. That's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.